My name is Chris with Headlight Revolution, and behind me I've got a 2001 Toyota Tacoma in the shop, and we're doing a few lighting upgrades on it. Specifically, we did the Star HID headlights, we did a couple things in the rear of the truck. It's a plow truck, so this guy uses a lot in reverse, almost more in reverse than forward. One other major thing he wanted us to do was the turn signals. He wanted people to be able to see exactly where he's turning, where he's headed. He wanted the brightest option possible. And so what we did is we did the new GTR Lighting Armor Series bulbs in the front turn signals. They are a remarkable difference, major upgrade in terms of brightness and style. And the cool part about the way GTR Lighting supplies this kit is they give you the resistors and everything you need to prevent anything from fast blinking. So underneath the front of the truck, you've got your turn signal socket, you've got two wires coming out of it. This resistor has two wires coming out of it. You take one wire from the resistor, connect it to one wire on the turn signal, take the other wire, connect it to the other wire on the turn signal. It's really straightforward. Normally, in the videos that we do on this channel, we would show you exactly how to do the turn signal wiring. On this particular truck, they actually kind of splice the turn signal wiring up a bit to make the plow work. And so I don't want to show you that. It's a little messy down there. Needless to say, you can just plug these bulbs in and they work perfectly just like the factory ones do. Install your resistor and you won't have any hyper flash. I'm going to show you guys what they look like, a before and after comparison. They're really impressive. As you can see, there's a major difference between brightness and just the crisp amber on and off function of the bulb. It's very instant on, instant off. It looks beautiful. Now, if you need anything else for these Toyota Tacomas, headlights, tail lights, anything at all, interior lights, you might need some interior lights, we've got you covered on www.headlightrevolution.com. Thank you for watching.